So in my last video, I installed this wonderful carbon fiber trim. Really love the looks of it. I found a really sweet letter kit to go here on the dash. It's actually painted to color match the truck. I found it on Etsy. I'll include a link in the description. I'll also include links to the carbon fiber kit for the dash and center console. And for those came from Lexland Gear. And please use my wrench with Matt code for 20% off your entire order, whether it be these carbon fiber kits or something else. So the first step here is to use the alcohol wipe to wipe off the Tacoma logo. Make sure there's no finger oils and stuff on there so that it promotes adhesion. And my apologies for the rain. Weather is not cooperating with me today. And this kit also comes with this little pick that you can use to pick off the backing of 3M double-sided tape. I believe the pick and the letters themselves are all 3D printed. Looks like they're very high quality. He seems to have done a very good job of getting everything nice and smooth, getting it painted to color match and everything. I'm looking forward to getting this on. The letters actually come in this really nice little case with what looks like a microfiber cloth, so I'm actually going to use that to kind of wipe this off again, get any excess off there. The letters go on one at a time. They are recessed, so they don't stick up too high at all. And that's not bad at all to get the backing off from this. I'm glad he includes the pick, because otherwise I wouldn't have known how to get the 3M backing off from here. Let's go for the first tee. Oh, it snaps right into... Oh, it actually snapped. Oops. You know what? You can't see that it's a problem, so I'm calling that good. Yeah, I can't tell that has a chipped corner, even though I know it does. There's the A. The A fits on there perfectly. Oh, this already looks beautiful. Oh, that's going to be so nice. I'm just a little excited. Nice. Apparently the O orientation has to be correct, so I'm going with what came out of the box, and that seems to be fine. Perfect. Last letter. Perfect. There we go. Nice bright red Tacoma logo, painted to color match the truck. See the Tacoma logo, carbon fiber trim. Got some red knobs and stuff there as well that I put on a while ago. Carbon fiber trim in the center console. Just gives this truck a unique premium look. Really like how it turned out. I think it really fits my personality. I think it looks great. Again, the letter kit came from Etsy, and the carbon fiber kits came from Lexland Gear. 20% off with my wrench with Matt code with Lexland Gear, and I'll include links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic day.